Welcome to 47 Parrot Road in Candler. This beautiful, like-new home with a sophisticated cottage design and easy one-level living is perfectly positioned with a backdrop of gorgeous mountain views. This wonderful property is tucked in the peaceful neighborhood of Oasis Cove and offers quick access to shopping, dining, schools, and the interstate. Impressive features will captivate you both inside and out, including the custom garage door, wood shaker dormer accents, a charming covered front porch that welcomes you inside to a bright and airy open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, and a massive great room. Enjoy an impressive and classy kitchen with huge island breakfast bar, granite countertops, pantry, and stainless steel appliances. This functional floor plan offers a split bedroom design with 2 added bedrooms and a full bath in their own separate wing. The large master bedroom has vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and private ensuite bathroom with dual sinks. Enjoy the private deck that overlooks the vast open spaces in the large fenced backyard. The grand outdoor living space offers a massive backyard encompassed by custom fencing, perfect for kids, pets, and entertaining. See this awesome property today before it's gone.